This video will quickly cover how to create a blog in Joomla 1.5. First, log into your Joomla administration. Once you are in, you need to make sure that you have at least one section. In this case, I've set up a section called Chock Full of Life Blogs. This will be our section that we use for blogs. Remember in Joomla that your site is organized. At the top is your website, and then your content is organized into sections, which are then sub-organized into categories, and the categories hold your articles or content items. So my blog items will end up in the section of Chock Full of Life Blogs. If I don't have a section to put my blog items in, I can create one using the New button over here. Then I can look at my category manager and make sure I have at least one category set up for that section that I'm using for blogs. In this case, I have set up 5 sections. This is a photography website, so we have a blog about photography for weddings. We have a blog about photography for seniors. We have a blog about photography of babies, my life, the photographer's life, and family photography blog. So there are 5 blogs under the Chock Full of Life blog section. These will be grouped into categories. We can make blogs from sections, and we can make blogs from categories. Now I'm ready to start writing my articles. So I go to Content Article Manager, and you can see that I've got a few articles written here. The first 2 are uncategorized content, so they won't be part of the blogs, but then I have Blog Article 1, Blog Article 2, and Blog Article 3, which all 3 of these are in the section for Chock Full of Life Blogs, and then the weddings category. Once you've completed that step, you'll be ready to set up your menu item. So we go to Menus, and then go to our main menu in this case, which we're using for all of our menu items on this particular website, and you'll see that I've set up a blog menu item here that it goes to the articles, and it's a section blog, so this will contain all of the articles in that section. Then I've got sub-blog underneath that button that will be weddings, a sub-blog for seniors, a blog for babies, family, and my life. Okay, if we wanted to set up a category from the beginning, we click on New. This is how you would do this, how you set up the menu item, and then you go to Articles. After you click on Articles, you're going to go to either a section blog layout, which would be a blog of the entire section, or a category blog layout. For this example, I'll use category blog layout. And let's say I was going to create the one for babies. So I would title it Babies, and then I would select the category Chock Full of Life Blogs Babies. Then I get to set up some of the parameters. I prefer to have 0 leading items, a large number of intro items, let's say 20. That's going to show the article intros, but not the full bodies of the articles. And I like them, like most blogs, in one column, and then some links afterwards in case we have more articles. There's other parameters that can be set up that won't be covered in this tutorial. Once you've completed that, you can decide what order to put the what the parent item is going to be, and after you click Apply, then you'll be given an option to reorder these items. I'm going to cancel that because I already have this particular blog set up. Okay, now once you've completed that, your blog should be ready to go. So here's my blog. I've got 3 articles, and these are all from the weddings category. So these are just samples. You can see they're in order of most recent at the top. So here's my first article, and it's the least recent. And then as I scroll towards the top, my second article is more recent, and then I finally get to my most recent article, which is the blog article number 3 in this case. That's it. Setting up a blog in Joomla 1.5 is very easy. You got to have a section for your blog. You need to have a category or multiple categories for your blog. Then you can put the articles into those blog categories, set up a menu item on your main menu so that you can access the blog and set the parameters to the way that you prefer your blog to show. And that's it. Good luck with blogging and Joomla 1.5.